Do you remember what did we do in our last lesson?
As activities.
Yeah, that's right. Activities. What does activities mean?
Mean you're having people or something?
Yeah, helping people or something. No, activities means things we can
Do.
say. Yeah, things we can do. Things we can do. Things we can do. You can say
Thing we can do.
that's right. Things we can do. So, what activities do we talk about?
As help my family.
What's the text? What? Again, sorry?
As helping my family.
Help my family. Yeah. Help them do what?
Help my family.
Help my family. Help them do what?
Help clean the dishes.
Yeah.
Wash the toilet. And wash the car. That's it.
That's right. Hmm.
Doing on the project.
Okay. Well, yeah, doing a project. That's right. What type of projects can we do?
Is making a unicorn paper, making a robot, and some stuff like that.
Excellent. Okay. So we have help my parents, work on a project. What else?
Work on the project. Let me think. Use the computer.
Use the computer. That's right. What can we do on the computer?
We work
Right.
but we use the computer.
Yeah, like games, watch movies, anything. Okay. Work on a project. Help my parents. Use the computer. What else? There's three more.
Something I didn't know, but it's good too. Still hard to remember, so let me think.
Play the or practice the
Piano.
piano. That's right. Practice the piano. Okay. Okay. What else? What else? Two more. You
Visited my friend.
visit my friend. Okay, and talk.
Calling phone.
Yeah, or talk on the phone. Yeah. What is your favorite activity?
Well, work on the project is my favorite.
Really?
But little bit hard to do it, but I still like it.
Work on a project. What projects have you worked on before?
Robot and
Robot. You built a robot, huh?